Just for these two things I ordered from Jumia, they gave me this nylon. Can you imagine?
This big nylon. It's just this combo.
Huh? Why? Please. Alright, so
Jesus Christ, I hope I've not broken it.
it's Techie here, and in this video we'll be looking at my latest ordering from Jumia. I actually ordered for a Blu-ray glass, and the pack 2 from Jumia after the first order I made from Jumia, which is the Andorra clip mic. You can see it on my shirt here. Okay, you can see the mic here. This is the jack adapter for the mic, as you can see on my screen. I was actually impressed with that, and I decided to order this Blu-ray glass and the pack from Jumia. You can see the pack here. You can see the pack. This is actually the pack. It's big. Okay, that's because I do streaming a lot. Sometimes 8 hours, sometimes 7 hours, sometimes 6 hours. So it's beginning to affect my eyes. And because of that, I decided to order for the Blu-ray glass. This here in this pack from Jumia, and we are going to be unboxing it and see what is actually inside. The nylon is big, and Jumia did a good job with the delivery, because the order I made this order, that was on Tuesday, which said that the order will be delivered on Thursday, but on Wednesday I got a call from Jumia that my order is ready to be delivered. And on that Wednesday, thank God for the delivery agent who agreed to come over to my house, because the address I put there is my workplace address. Who agreed to come to my house and deliver this package to me. And today we'll be looking at it. Let's see what's inside, if what I ordered for was what actually was delivered, or just another scam from Jumia. I don't know. People complain they get scam from Jumia. They order for another thing and then get something else delivered to them, but that's not really happened for me. So let me just get a razor blade and then try to cut it somewhere. Here, okay. I think at the back is the paper. Delivery paper from Jumia. Okay, there's it. Instruction paper and everything. You can see it. That's on my screen. Is actually from Jumia before the actual package. Before the actual package here. Alright, so I've already cut off some parts from the package. As you can see here. Let's just open it, and wow. The first thing we'll get is another paper, which is the warranty paper. So let's see what's inside, if it's actually what I ordered for and delivered, or if I've just gotten scammed from Jumia. Wow. Okay. I'll see. This is the pack. This is the pack here. I see on my screen. This is the pack for the eyeglass. For our Blu-ray glass that I ordered from Jumia. Let me test. Can see. Test the leather quality and see. Wow. I'm really impressed. You can see the inside. I love the leather. It's solid. You can see. It's solid, and the design is perfect. You can see here. This is it. I'm actually impressed. Get this, another great quality from Jumia. Okay, so this is the pack. This is the glass itself. See, maybe you can. This is the glass itself from Jumia. You can see here. This is the glass. See the packaging. See. Okay, so let me just try to open it. Jesus Christ, this will just give me work. Okay, so this the nylon. I've removed the wrap, and this is our glass itself. You can see here. This is actually how it looks like. You can see here. So let me remove it and see if it's actually what I ordered for. Wow, I love this. You can see it. It's actually nice. Let's test it out. Let's see. I'm shy, you know. Wow. This is nice. I love it. It's fantastic. A great quality product, and I got the best. Okay, and this is nice, and this is the pack. So maybe you can see this is actually how it looks like. Try to zoom in a little bit. You can see this is nice. Let me post. You can see All right, so this is it. You can see I love it. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice, it's nice, it's nice, and I can actually use it wherever, whatever thing I want to do or go. You can see I love it. This is nice. The reduction, the light, and everything. It's actually the quality for me is I can still see everything clearly without it affecting my eyes. Now I can do my streaming in peace, even if for 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, without me being afraid of my eyes. Okay, that is going to affect my eyes, you know. So this is the glass and this is the pack. Wow, you see, fits in perfectly fine. You can see here. Then I can lock it up. Wow, you can see how it looks like. So this is it. I would have loved if these edges here could be covered. You can see here, these holes here will be covered because of dust and everything, but it's still fine. It's cool like this. At least it's okay. Let me know what you think about this product. I'll also drop a link to this particular product in the description below. You can also check that out if you feel like, or if you are a YouTube streamer like me, you can also check that out and get this product. This actually the same seller that sells these two products. Okay, the same seller sells the pack and also the Blu-ray glass, so you can actually order the two and get it delivered immediately because it's the same seller that sells the two of them from Jumia. And the review is, I'm actually going to give them 5 star because they tried. I love the quality. I love it. I love it. I love this. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share to your friends so that some of them that are streaming or some of them that are doing YouTube can be able to see this and also order for it and use it for their own personal use. You can see how it fits in the leather. The quality is solid. I love it. All right.